Palestine decries Netanyahu's planned visit to Hebron. Saudi Arabia intercepted 3 Houthi missiles over Najran. Iran willing to sign non-aggression deal with Oman. UN possible war crimes committed in Yemen. 123 bodies pulled from rubble at Yemen's Damar prison. UK man jailed over punish Muslim delators. UN calls incommunicado detentions to end in Myanmar. Tools of genocide, new report on Rohingya released. Truck bombing kills 16 civilians in Afghanistan. US reaches agreement with Taliban, US peace negotiator. Kashmiris struggle to meet relatives in detention. India claims Kashmir free of daytime restriction.